If you're a crossdresser or a trans woman or just an absolute beginner with makeup, then you're probably not even sure how to actually get started. Stuff like how to set up your workspace, lighting, what steps you should be doing first. If all of your usual attempts at makeup are scattered and all over the place, then you need someone to teach you a more efficient way to do it. Going step by step in order will teach you how to do it faster and better, and it will also keep you from forgetting stuff. I've been teaching makeup to trans women and crossdressers for 25 years, and I created a complete A to Z online course for students who cannot come to Los Angeles and take a lesson with me in person. The good thing about taking a course is that it's in an order of steps, all laid out for you to follow in order. And when you learn like this, you'll build speed and efficiency naturally. A lot of my students actually prefer this because they can learn at their own pace, on their own schedule, instead of having to try to cram everything all in all at once while sitting at my makeup table with me. And they end up forgetting a lot of it anyway because it was just too much to take in all at one time. So if you think a course might be a more practical way to learn makeup, then just look for the link in the description and then check out the course on your own. No hype, no pushy sales pitch. Just check it out for yourself and you'll be blown away by how much is actually included in this course. While you're at it, please hit the subscribe button and help me build my channel. I would really appreciate it. You will learn how to do your makeup.